Hello friends, welcome back to Daily English World. நாம இந்த வீடியோல பேசிக் இங்கிலீஷ் கிராமர் குயிஸ் 30 பார்க்க போறோம். உங்களால 20 எடுக்க முடியுமா? இதுல வர குயிஸ்க்கு எத்தனை ஆன்சர் தெரியும்னு மறக்காம கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. He is homework before dinner. Option A finishing, option B finishes, option C finished, option D finished. Correct answer is C finished. They at the park yesterday. Option A is, option B are, option C was, option D were. Correct answer is option D were. C a new bicycle. Option A has, option B have, option C cat, option D having. Correct answer is option A has. I a letter to my friend. Option A write, option B wrote, option C written, option D write. Correct answer is option B wrote. We pizza every Friday night. Option A eats, option B eat, option C eating, option D ate. Correct answer is option B eat. My father in a bank. Option A work, option B works, option C worked, option D working. Correct answer is option B works. The words flying in the sky. Option A is, option B are, option C was, option D am. Option B are. C watching TV when I called her. Option A is, option B were, option C was, option D are. Correct answer is option C was. Their uncle already. Option A has, option B have, option C cat, option D having. Correct answer is option B have. He going to gym daily. Option A is, option B are, option C am, option D be. Correct answer is option A is. The cat under the table. Option A hiding, option A hides, option C kite, option D kitten. The correct answer is option B kites. We seen that movie before. Option A has, option B have, option C cat, option D having. Correct answer is option B have. I helped you. I helped you with your homework. Option A can, option B should, option C might, option D will. Correct answer is option A can. C very tired yesterday. Option A is, option B are, option C was, option D were. Correct answer is option C was. You coming with us? Option A is, option B are, option C was, option D were. Correct answer is option B are. He play the guitar very well. Option A can, option B may, option C shall, option D must. Correct answer is option A can. They playing outside now. Option A is, option B are, option C was, option D were. Correct answer is option B are. The flowers beautiful. Option A is, option B are, option C was, option D am. The correct answer is option B are. I to the beach every summer. Option A goes, option B going, option C go, option D gone. Correct answer is option C go. C always late to school. Option A is, option B are, option C was, option D were. Correct answer is option A is. என்ன குயிஸுக்கு சரியா பதில் சொன்னீங்கன்னு மறக்காம கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.